Okay, well, it's been roughly 15 hours, and you can see, check this out. Look at that paint. It's literally just flaking right off. Let's see what happens if wow, look at that. Just comes right off. And like I said, this has been about 15 hours sitting in here. You can see it looks almost brand new. Now this gold is a little bit harder to, no, it's coming off pretty easy too. So luckily, I think this was paint. I don't think it was a marker. So what we're gonna do now is flip it over so we can get these roofs and the portions of the hood that we didn't get, and then we'll go from there. And look how well this works, though. Look at that. That's incredible. That's paint. Absolutely incredible. Okay, well, next time we come out here, this should be ready to go.